Good morning, you guys. Good morning, y'all. It's 8 in the morning, you guys, and I think you see what's going on. I wish this rain started raining while I was still at home, y'all, but as soon as I got here, after like 10 minutes, it started raining. I'm like, why it didn't rain while I'm still at home? It didn't even show the sign, y'all. So right now, as I'm speaking, I have an order. $41, y'all. I have a $41 order for 11 miles. So I hope this stops soon because it's raining. I don't even know. I don't even think that they're gonna bring it out because it's raining. So I'ma just start my trips, and I hope this rains ends soon. You know. Crazy. This rain has been raining non-stop, like here and there. Beautiful day, but boom, it's raining. Yo, excuse my hair, yo. I'm getting done this week. I didn't know these people come in the rain, yo. They just bring my stuff in the rain. Oh wow, I thought they was gonna wait till the rain stops raining. What? As soon as they finish packing my stuff, it stopped raining. So let's go. It stopped. I had a feeling that I'm not going to cancel this order. I know this rain is not gonna rain for long. That's how this been. This is how this rains here has been. It can rain like for 10 minutes and the boy stop, and it rain again. So yeah, I have my $41. Let's go deliver. I hope it doesn't rain until I'm done with this drop off, yeah. Hey, y'all, this is our first drop off. So how about we put this in here so we can just carry at the same time. Can we do that? I hope it's not gonna be heavy. Okay, let's go. All right, we made it. Okay, let's go to our next one. Okay, y'all, let's drop. Good morning. Let's drop. Ooh. So I'm delivering at a church. Let's drop off. All right, let's go to our last one. Yo, as soon as I got here, you guys, we just received another big order. I just received another big order, you guys. $35 for only 4 miles, and it's only one drop off. But guess what, you guys? It has 6 cases of water. It has sodas. I think it has like it's only big items, but I don't care, yo. I don't care. It's $35. As long as it's going to the house, it's not apartment, it's not upstairs, I'm good. And guess what? I have my wagon with me, so let's give that $35. $35. So only 2 orders is gonna take out to $75, you guys. Only $75 under 2 hours. So the pickup time is 9:10, yo. The pickup time is 9:10. So let's wait for. Oh, yo, I'm talking too much. Anything can happen. Let me stop talking. Anything can happen from now because I don't trust this woman. I don't trust this woman, y'all. Yeah, this is what we have here. They're going to bring a dolly so they can put it on. It's 10 right now, you guys. 10 o'clock, and we just received our third order, you guys. So far, so good. Our third order, $19 for 7 miles. 3 drop off. Let's take out our first drop off. Alright, let's go drop our second one. Alright, delivered. Let's go back at Walmart. You guys, it's 11:40, you guys, 11:40, and I just received another huge order, you guys, $39. But usually over here, most of the time when they give us order, it be ready already when it's time to start the order. But this one over here, it's not ready, so I'm not gonna be 100% that it's mine, you know, because they might cancel it anytime. So it shows that they're still packing it. So let's wait and see if anything can change. Ready, it shows it's ready, so I'm super excited. They're about to bring it right now. Last drop off, y'all. Out of 3 drop off, that was the last one. All right, let's go back. Yo, after my last order, I finished it. That was 12:30, and right now it's 2 p.m. you guys. So after my last order, I went home. There is stuff that I went to take care of. So right now I'm back. It's 2. So I received an order. Let me go check it out. But let me tell you guys, before I went home, I was on 135, you guys. That's how this morning was super. Like, I was super blessed this morning. All the big order that I was getting, I'm on 135. So let's see how this afternoon is going to be, you guys. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, we just received another big order, $32. I'm going to shop for only 18 items, you guys. Only 18 items. So let's go shop for this order. Right now it's 2:11, you guys. Let me go in. I'm done shopping. This is everything, so it's time to back them up. Guys, guess what? We just got a huge order. I can say, you guys, we just got a huge order again, you guys. $50, y'all. $50, but for 18 miles. It's all right. We got it, you guys. Whew, $50, y'all. I'm super happy, y'all. I'm super happy. All right, you guys. This is the last drop off out of 3 drop off, y'all. My $50. So let's drop it off. The big order, you guys. $30. Yo, I don't know what's happening today, but I'm loving it. Whatever is happening, I am in love. Yo, I just got $30 shopping for 2 people, and altogether it's only 16 items, and I'm only going 5 miles, you guys. Whatever's happening today, let it keep happening every single day, because I'm blessed. I'm thankful, y'all. Anyway, let's shop for this order. Yeah, all done, all done. Let's go deliver. Our first customer I only shopped this one for this is our first drop off. All right, let's take our last drop off. Take our last drop off. All right, you guys, it's 7 right now, and my shift is over, you guys. Today was such a blessed day. I made a lot of money, so much money in just short time. Let's say like that, yeah. Let me say like that. So anyway, today we made $249, you guys. That's how much money we made today. $249. I'm super thankful. Today was my first time ever seeing big orders almost the whole entire day. I don't know what was it. I don't know if it's Spark changed something. I don't know. I have no idea what was that, but yeah, I did it, y'all. I did it. So anyway, I'm just thankful. If you love watching this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.